Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add BNB Smart Chain in TrustWallet. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the TrustWallet app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TrustWallet apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a buy option at the middle of this dashboard, which is at the right side of this receive option. So let's tap on that buy, and now you can see there is a tons of cryptos over here. So you can simply search for a BNB, or you can see there is a BNB option at the third, and you can see BNB Smart Chain at the right side. So let's tap on that BNB, and you can see it is $150 by default in here. And if you want to change your payment method, then just tap on that pay with credit card, and finally you can just tap on the credit card, and you can see there is a three options. First one is Apple Pay, another one is credit card, and bank transfer as well. So you can choose any of them. So let me keep it as it is, and let's close this one, or let's get back. And finally, once you complete all the things, then simply tap on the buy with credit card, and you'll be able to add your BNB Smart Chain in TrustWallet app successfully. But make sure you verify yourself as well, and you need to complete more formalities as well. So basically this is how you can add BNB Smart Chain in TrustWallet app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.